In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft sound not working. Now first what you want to do is press escape, options, and head over to music and sounds. Make sure you have turned this all the way up, and then you want to make sure your device is on system default. After that, come back here, and then depending on what version you're playing on, hold down F3 and press T. What this will do is it will reload your game and your sound devices, and this might fix the issue. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, try and press F3 and S instead. But for me, it's just gonna save my textures to the screenshot. So either try F3 plus T or F3 plus S. Now after you've done that, what you can do is come down here on your Windows, right click, open volume mixer, and make sure you have turned Minecraft up. As well as you wanna do it again and go to sounds. From in here, you wanna go to playback and make sure your correct speaker or headset is the default device. So if it's one of these, you want to click on them and set as default. Now I know this is mine, so I'm setting this as my default device, and that's how it works. Now another thing you can do is come down here and search for device manager, open it up. In here what you want to do is you want to find your audio inputs and outputs, and then find your speakers. If you're not sure which one it is, you can just do this on all of them, but right click and update the driver. Now after you've tried all of this, the last step is you can simply try and reinstall Minecraft. Come down here, search for apps and features. In here, search for Minecraft. Click on it, uninstall and uninstall. Then simply go and reinstall it and see if it works. However, most people with this problem can be solved by doing the F3 plus T or F3 plus S. So try both of them and see if one of them works for you. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.